these people that reported this page. All these people that reported this page that made. I know how much dollar is now. I know the amount of dollar is now. Since December, upon that they demonetized the page. I'm not even bothered about the page that they demonetized. That they made Facebook to demonetize. I'm not even bothered about that. That's the one I made November and December and January too. What did I do to them? What did I have called Akozion? I bet Akozion remove this strike. You can send Facebook message. Remove this strike. How can you be worshiping God and have this kind of heart? How can you be worshiping God and have evil heart? Ebonyi State people Ebolam. Ebonyi State people Ebolam. If I buy in Ebonyi State people buy me. They are very wicked and heartless. And no lady should marry any Ebonyi State man. I'm telling you, they are the wicked. People and Anambra State and other states are the wicked. Can they? Ebonyi State people the wicked. Ebonyi men in the wicked. I'm telling you, no woman should go to Ebonyi State. You are kids. No, that's my prayer. God cannot pray as you have frustrated me, like as you have frustrated me, you will be frustrated. These are all my clothes that I'm set to come back with. This is my bag. Are you seeing it? I have washed them waiting for this morning. I have washed all my clothes. I have washed all my clothes waiting for this morning to come. Let me leave this Senegal before I will buy here. Because your kids will suffer. Your kids will never see good thing. I'm calling you because you got that you are kids, you are own kids, you are kids. Can never get the help. If I buy with this depression in me, if I finally buy in this, no when church get deliver, Pastor Ebugobi can never deliver your kids. I swear. I saw upon this land of Senegal, like even Pastor Ebugobi, when you need a thief doctor that will deliver your kids, they will suffer more than I am. They will suffer more than me. Do you know how many years I've been outside the country hustling? Do you know how many years I've been outside there? Have you gone half of the thing I've gone? Do you know that nearly died in desert Libya when I wanted to cross? Only God saved me in a Sahara desert. Do you know where I have been? Do you know what I have passed through? This only thing Facebook that is giving me joy. I only come here to catch cruise. I don't have anything in mind with anyone. Only because this is the only place that makes me happy. Facebook is the only thing that gives me joy. Facebook is the only thing that gives me joy. I lost my father at the age of 10. I lost my father at the age of 10 years. Since that 10, I started suffering till today. The only place I come to catch this back from you collect the food. Even now, I'm even tired of the alabeke that I've prepared to go home. You have taken the food away from me. If you like, remove the page. In fact, this life I'm tired of it. Report this video to remove the page. I am tired of it. But you will never see anything good. Even that business you are doing, fold. Even that your Zion bitters will fold. We must catch Ogaboko because he is very wicked, Ebony man. You are a very heartless man. Where is the God you claim you are worshiping? Where is Pastor Kobe? You claim you are praising. Can pass forward this video to Pastor Kobe? Akozion is about to buy me. Akozion to Ribumu. Akozion de Bolamo. Ebukobi. Akozion to Bolamo. Akozion to Bolamo. Akozion have buy me. Go Ebukobi. Very wicked man. The same way that you are facing the dark, the same way you don't know your heart. Other people that know that I have offended, all of them have forgiven me. All of them have forgiven Chalamo. It's only you. That guy provided your brother Nasamoto. Your brother Nasamoto. Your brother Nasamoto. Give away your brother. Because I don't know you are skinny. ụmụ gị tagide ahụhụ. Because after this video, I might end it once and all, delete this page. But again, ụmụ gị tagide ahụhụ. Ụmụ gị, in fact, ị ga-anọ n'ala mmụọ na-ebe akwa na-ebetara ụmụ gị akwa. The king, the ahụhụ ụmụ gị na-ata. Go and ga-anọ n'ala ili. Ị ga-anọ n'ala ili. Na-ebe akwa. Ọkwa this my clothes laugh for you. Are you see my clothes? Ọkwa akpa m ji alọta. The money you see is here. Yeah, uche from them gas outside. I never watched them. Then Jalota. This is the new bag. Give me Facebook and see this money. Yeah, guy, you got on a lily neighbor. As my mother become widow, as my own mother become a widow at age of 40-something years, that your wife will become widow like that. Your wife must become widow as my mother become widow at age of 40-something years. Okay, your wife get away widow. All my prayer to you because you wish me death. I'm using directly and beg you on social media. I beg him, what did I say? He got frustrated. Nothing you do favor for you. Oh, that's again like you going back. Because I for all this video to Ebukobi. That's again because I is not a Christian. Oh, neighbor, you said Ebulamo. Because I Ebulamo. You are not about to you're a fool. You a bastard. I'm taking this person, man, don't be a gamo. I'm taking person, man, to a gamo. What are you, useless human being? And I got church, and I go to the name, and I give you in a church. I got you in a which church. I got you in a because I went to church and I can eat name. I don't church because when I got church, you will be with it. Oh, you yes, you put neck and I got one finally. I'm ready to die. Let me tell you. No, and then I got you are not a Christian. You are just covering up with them, Kobe name, spoiling that man's name. You don't know that you are the one who rape Kobe. Man, because you are the evil man spoiling them Kobe's name. I'm going to spoil the name, but that man don't have any problem. Kobe don't have no problem. Where any problem? I love that kind of man who a free heart. Oh, may I head him watch it, but in a BMOB, rape Kobe, man, you in the Zion. He is the problem of Zion next. In a fight, people negi. In a fight, people negi. Nobody should call me. Nobody should call me. It's a fight against Zion. Oh, you negi. Your mother to get a fight on one Zion next in a fight. They want every wicked man. And on a village, you can name Ishi. You can fight, you can name Ishi. A man and I brought and I got the same road or one mother. I'm a bogey at this live video because I'm a bogey because I'm ending this my life today. I'm a bogey before I'm ending. I'm a boring geek. Your kids go suffer more than me. What did I never do? I don't push you out of Abba. Conduct on Abba. Boy, I'm boy in Abba. Okay, what did I never do? Just to become somebody. I finally travel out. When I manage my life, patching my life, they go. Get the way will be they will die of poverty. Oh no, when you won't care about who hang a lot to do mad manage go. In fact, you have kids, you are Zion, Idume, a home again. I got a flavor like me because I know I have become a flavor already. Yes, I want a flavor. I got a in fact, more, the flavor came like a Tunka. Yeah, oh, I got on the Kai, the Burumri, Yoshi, oh, you think that you have made, eh? Oh, Mogawan, Lumki, gas one day, I get you about Burumri. Oh, look at him, you are kids get you about Burumri, I get you, it cannot really be about because I don't know a 4 man, you're a 4 man. What else can you do? You have destroyed me already. What else can you do? You can't do anything. You're a coward. You were a man enough. You can't do any other thing, bro. You have done it all because I got no life anymore. I got no life anymore. You have finished me. Nothing else you will do. Go to hell. ị ga-anwụ ike n'idere enwu nwoke na forgive mmadụ n'idere enwu eme ihe na nwanne ya nwoke anaghị n'idere enwu ihe nọ n'ụwa na-eme ihe in life causing losers making life difficult for the poor because ị gara ga-ebuo ntụ kpata ego gaa gụ iri gbuo ntụ ọnwụ ntụ ka ibiri budo ike na Mozambique ewu nwụrụ anwụ gịdị na-ere ezigbo ego ntụ na-eme ndị ọzọ pret tetekpa ga-agbacha gị akpa amụ Igbo ga-agbawa nne gị Akụzayon Igbo ga-agbawa nne gị Ebuka Obi Akụzayon have buy me Akụzayon have buy me what did I do? What did I say? What did I say? What did I say that you can't forgive your brother? What did I say? I called the person and I messaged you. I tell you, guy, I'm buying. When I get church, guy will touch my go church. Guy will touch my go church. Go to church. Get making a church. You have a preaching at church. But Gobi is a peaceful man. This guy, if I don't pass them, let me tell you, because I'm a good. I read people. If I hear them on social media, let me tell you, Pastor Gobi Nebu. Let me turn at Toyota. Go if I go ahead to the India Nebu, they make Makayana Toyota because without the India, the man can't go far. Without the India, Ebukobi will not go far. Controversial things when they make from among them, Ebukobi is a wise man. Oh, this is the Bobble now the primary school. I wonder how you become a bad kind. Oh, go deeply, who kids get okay, toilet rat. Who kids get like a toilet, like a toilet rat. Ishi got them. Oh, it's good. In fact, you have already frustrated me, Senegal, right? That already we said Ebukobi is happy. Ask him, but all day and the clothes. Go and ask him. You know that he's happy. You all these things. You keep fighting. Oh, see, even if you are fighting on social media, even if you are fighting on social media, don't you have any issue with it? Yeah, even if you're fighting on social media with your mouth. But how many people source of income? Do you know how frustrated Nigeria is today? Do you think that if I never have a job, I will be here in Senegal wasting my years? You know how many years I've been here? People are saying a lot of things on social media just to end and leave you. Don't worry about it. If Nigeria give us work, we can't be here talking what is not true and what is true. All of us that is on social media, all of us are here for money. Use your mouth. If somebody insult you on social media, use your mouth and insult them back. Social media is screws. Nothing like what you are doing for kids. Or that's that one you are doing for your kids. Kids self, our kids self are still even going to do more. The kids self we are picturing in your future, they are even going to do more because this one we are doing starting it. They are going to do more. Madam, stop! Don't stop hurting people because you have hurt me. My mom, the critically ill. I don't even want to say that place because is not coming back anymore. I love that home. They have killed me. Mom stroke here. My stroke yesterday because yesterday I started battling with this thing, but I just kept quiet because yesterday was first. Nobody can want to come check and will Akasayon and Desayon Urelana. My mom fed that on the sick. Watching and wear long big for how many years, Colota? Akasayon, eh? We got useless. Eh? I got down. Mark today's date. I got down. They go so far. Ebukobi, your hen azum. Ebukobi, your hen azum. Ebukobi, your hen azum. Ndị na-enweghị obi Bible ha na-asị mmadụ majority 10 times forgive him 100 times. Ebukobi, is this what you are training people that will be intimidating the poor? Because if I know that if I'm in that position today, this guy wouldn't be intimidating me like this. I can see other people that even say more things about him on social media, only about them and not the rest. You have not even threatened them to arrest, talk less of tapping their page. Yes, I'm ending this video short. Yes, report it as usual. Again. And if I buy, please, no matter, because I don't buy me. If I buy, mark this video, because I don't Idume, Nwa Zion, nwa brother Bukobi, now you buy me. Yes, I know they are going to report the page, read this video and remove this page. No problem. I don't have life anymore. I'm in dark already. But again, if you don't hear from Ken anymore, people should copy this video. Bloggers should copy. If you don't hear from Ken anymore, because I own one Ebony State, Ibu Gabon Nyoko, Ibu Gabon Nia, now you buy me.